Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that subscribe button to join me on all my Minecraft adventures, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Mark, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the Death Worm Dimension, guys. But before we head to the Death Worm Dimension, make sure you go ahead and smack that thumbs up button to let me know that you love seeing me head to these dimensions, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to the Death Worm Dimension, you're going to need 10 brown wool. You want to go ahead and place 2 of them on the ground just like that. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your brown wool. Then you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 brown wool, and then 1 red wool on top, guys. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on down, and go ahead and place 3 brown wool on this side, so 1, 2, 3, and then 2 brown wool in the middle, and then 1 red wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished. Now you can go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just made. And now since you made this frame, it's time to light this baby up with a flint and steel. Boom, don't that look amazing, guys? Don't that look absolutely amazing? Now it's time to go ahead and head on into this dimension and verse the Death Worm. Hopefully he does not kill me. But then again, he didn't get that name for no reason, guys. Oh my god, where is he? Oh my god, whoa, that looks like a giant turd. Oh my god, guys, do you guys see that? Whoa, that thing looks nasty. Ew, look at its face. It has a face that not even a mother could love. Oh my god, guys. Wow, that is disgusting. Ew. Ew, that is really bad. And oh my god, a chicken just came out of his mouth. Ew, that is... Ugh. There must be animals over there in his mouth. We gotta go save him, pig. What? What? You really leaving me? You really gonna let me go in there by myself? Well, guys, I guess I have to do everything by myself because obviously my pig don't want to help me. So let's go ahead and let's head into this guy's mouth. Hopefully his mouth does not close, and then I have to stay inside his stomach for a week or something. Whoa, there's a lot of animals in here, guys. He really loves to eat pigs, chickens, and cows. I can definitely tell that, guys. But I guess I love to eat pigs, chickens, and cows as well. But I'm going to break you guys out. You guys do not have to try to go out that way. I am going to break you guys out with some TNT as soon as I find a way to get on top of this gigantic worm/turd. Because that's what he really looks like, guys. He really looks like a turd. And oh my god, there's a temple over there, guys. That's pretty cool. But whoa, look how huge he is. And oh my god, guys, it's almost like they made a staircase on the back end of this guy, so you can actually climb. You can actually climb up his back end. That does not sound right. Now that I think about it, that does not sound right. But let's go ahead and put TNT going all the way down this guy's back, so that we can hopefully break these animals free, because they need to be free. They need to be with their families. So let's go ahead. Let's put the TNT going all the way down his back. We're actually kind of giving him a cool TNT mohawk, to be honest, guys. And let's go ahead and head to the front of this guy and put some TNT on his face, because I really got to do him a favor and blow up his face. Just take a look at that, guys. That is crazy looking. Let's go ahead and put TNT around it, guys, and blow his face off, because he's been doing a lot of bad stuff, guys. Let's go ahead and light this TNT up and watch him blow. Oh my god, guys, this is going to be a huge explosion. Watch. Boom! Oh my god, guys. Whoa. Look, his whole entire body's disappearing, guys, as the TNT blows up. Wow, that is amazing, guys. Whoa, he's almost completely gone. Look, guys. And I think the only one that survived was this cow. Everybody else died. You can see the chicken and the eggs. And there's just a bunch of animal parts all over the place, guys, because unfortunately they did get blowed up. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.